Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today is usually my martial arts day, but it's quarantine, so we can't do this. My name's Adhiraj and make sure to like and subscribe. So today we are doing martial arts in our basement, like I always do. And so I'm gonna show you some of my martial art skills. And I'm an orange belt with this many stripes. So let's get started. So let's do this. So usually before our position we do is this, and then we add a ha in it. So like this. Ah! So now I'm gonna show you some of my kicks I do. So let's start with the axe kick. It's very simple. That is an axe kick. So let me repeat if you didn't see that. I'll show you 2 more times. So now that's over. So now we're gonna do double front kick. We do this. Let me repeat myself if you didn't hear me. There. I'll do it 2 more times. That is it. So then we're moving on to my yellow belt learnings. So this is what I learned from a yellow belt. So first of all, let's do this simple kick, a round kick. So basically you turn your body and then kick. Let me repeat myself. So then we're gonna do right axe kick. So this is simple. And then let me repeat myself. And we're gonna do a normal axe kick when I'm gonna tell you. Now let's do a left axe kick. Okay. So I learned also a back kick. So now I'm gonna show you a back kick. Let me show you again. Let me show you 2 more times. And one last time. So that is how you do a back kick. Now let's do my favorite belt. Orange! Which I'm the belt I'm wearing right now. So this is the first standard. So this is what I'm gonna show you my kicks of orange belt. So first off, let's do the normal axe kick. It's like chopping. It's like you're doing an axe. It's like you're chopping down a tree. So you basically do a front kick and then put your knee down. So that's how you do. Let me repeat myself 2 more times. Okay. So now let's do a double front kick. So let's do it. Let me repeat myself 4 more times. Up, up, hop, 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 hop. Now we're doing punches, the normal punch. Hop, hop. Hammer punched now. Hop, 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 Now we're doing forms, the white belt form. Now we're doing the yellow belt form. So first of all, we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh yeah! Okay, now let me repeat myself. Hop, 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 hop. So now we're gonna do the defensive stuff. So let's do our first thing. So let's do the white one. Up, 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 hop, 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 hop. So let's do the defensive kicks.